Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 18 of Hachette's Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, folks. The post-apocalyptic edition. It is the madmax car, folks, let's be honest. Look at that. Beautiful. Anyway, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with this very excitable young Festa, follow this link here. Bink. There's a clickable version below in the description. That will take you to the Hachette website where you can subscribe to this beautiful 1/8 scale madmax car. You know you want to, folks. Let's have a look in the magazine, see what we got. We got the left door. Work continues on the assembly of the passenger door, fitting trim and interior panels, folks. And this is where it's going on your Ford Falcon, folks. Yes, passenger door, because they drive on the correct side. Yes. There's all your chrome work, door release mechanism, that's going in there on the panel. And then we're going to flip that onto the door assembly section we assembled last time, which is just there. Pop your screws in, close it off with some trim, and that's what you're going to end up with today. And then further on, we'll have other panels that go over the top of this to conceal all of these holes, etc. Okay. You then got the Jag XJ refining lead. Look at them, good old classic Jags. And then that's the magazine done. And as you notice, there's other trim parts coming to finish the door off in future issues, folks. Okay, let's grab our little door handle mechanism like so. And this is press fitting into that little hole at the top there, like so. A bit fiddly, but it will go. And then this is then going to go inside this panel. Now it can only go to one way. You've got a large raised section and a tinsy-wincy little pin. So let's just pop that in there like so. Get our little PS14 screw. Let's just pop that to one side for a moment. We'll put that back in a mo. And we want to bring that in there and start that off. And rather than fully ohm it, I can then go back and put this in place because it goes through the section there, but also into the door skin itself, like that. Okay, and then I shall put a little bit of glue on the back of it to stop it popping back out. Okay, there you go. A little bit of some here extra fin went in there just to stop that from popping back out. Right, so that's that done. We can now bring in the door that we built last time, which is up there. And we can start lining these up and getting this all fitted. And it will go in with 3 of the DS2 screws, folks. So let's line this all up and get that in place for you. Around about there. Just change me bit, bring in my DS2 screws. We'll oil these up and we'll put one of these in to hold it in place, and then we can go round and tighten them all up. So we've got one going down there in the middle. So let's pop him in place. Just like so. Grab the next one. Bink. Do the same. Like that. And we're going in the round holes here, folks, okay? We're going up there like that. Yeah, cool. So that's done. With the window up, we're now at 7 o'clock, if you notice, on this little thing, because the handle is going to go there. Okay, It's 5 o'clock when the window's down, 7 o'clock when it's up. Right, we now want our little chrome strip, which is just here. And if you look at the pegs, you'll notice two are slightly offset, one's further away. Okay, and pop this chrome strip in place, just like so. Work it along with your finger, and that'll go in like that. Bump, and there you go, folks. That is your completed door for today. Looking rather splendid, as you can see. So don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself, build along with me, folks. Follow the link to the Hachette website that's here. There's a clickable link below in the description. Bink. That will take you to their website, where you too can take out a subscription. Build this along with me, this iconic 1/8 scale Ford Falcon. You know you want to. In the meantime, to help me out and help me grow my channel, just pop over and give Fester a click, just there. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. Ring the bell whilst you're there. That will notify you of upcoming content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I really do appreciate it, folks. Stay safe and well, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.